Let's cover this video with the frequently asked questions related to oximeter. What is oximeter? Oximeter is a small clip-like device which measures oxygen level in your blood, which is also called as SpO2. What does this device shows you? It shows you oxygen level in your blood and as well as the heart rate. How to use this device? So you have to place this device like this on your finger, and then there is one button. You have to press this button for the result. So you can see it's checking the result. You can see the result. It's showing 98 as SpO2, that is oxygen level, and 88 as the pulse rate, that's the heart rate. It also shows you a PI index, which is a perfusion index in between the SpO2 indication and the heart rate. So this is a indication of the strength of pulsatile signal. But PI ranges from 0.02% to 20%, showing from weak to strong signal. For better accurate result, please avoid any movement, or if you have applied any nail paint or something in your nails, please remove it. Which oximeters to buy? In the current situations, oximeters are available from reputed brand as well as many startups as well. Rather than recommending any specific brand, I would like to suggest you to look for few points while buying an oximeter. One point to look for while buying an oximeter is to check the customer rating and review at Amazon. Next is to look for budget friendly oximeter for you. High price always doesn't mean good quality. Point is to please check the warranty and return policy as well. Point is certification by any lab, as it's very difficult for us to verify any oximeter, so company provides this certificate, so you can check that with the oximeter you are planning to buy. Point is to check if it is made in India product or any other country. You can buy as per your preference. Next point to check is the availability and the delivery date. Always check for an oximeter with the fastest delivery, because you don't want to wait for weeks together to get an oximeter. I've got these 3 oximeters for me and my family from different 3 brands. You can check out of any of these 3. I'm not promoting any specific brand here. How does oximeter works? It sends a small beam of light into the blood and hence measuring the amount of oxygen level into the blood. It does this by measuring the changes of light absorption in oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. What is the mode of power supply? So it runs with a battery. So you have to put a battery here. See, I have put 2 batteries here. What is the accuracy of this device? It's fairly accurate. However, the quality of the waveform and assessment of an individual must be considered. Factors like movement, temperature, or nail polish can impact the accuracy. Next is, what percentage of oxygen saturation level in blood is considered normal? Normally, 95% is considered normal for a healthy individual. But I am not an expert. All the information given by me is based on my research. So please consult your doctor for better clarity. Next is, what is the price of this device? It will cost you from ranging 1000 to 500, but you can get a good oximeter in 1000 price as well. Next is, how much warranty do you get in this product? Generally, you will get 1 year of warranty in this product, but it may vary from brand to brand. If you found my video informative, then please don't forget to like, share, comment or subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Suchi Stream.